Thank you very much for all our QSR customers for keeping the drive-thrus open and keeping us in business. And thank you for our great staff for taking care of us customers.
On behalf of Summit, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you for using our drive-thrus, and thank you for supporting the local business. And a big thank you for doing the right thing and keeping us safe.
Thank you.
G'day everyone, Emerson Hilston here. I'm the National Operations Manager for Summit Innovations based on the Gold Coast. I'd just like to show my appreciation to all of our customers both nationally and throughout the world. From our families to yours, a big thank you!
Hi, this is Simon, the Technical Support Manager from the Victorian Division. Just like to say a very big thank you to all our staff, senior staff, admin staff and all our service techs and field engineers. And also a very big thank you to all of our clients, both here and around the world, for basically keeping us going.
Thank you!
Thanks! Thank you for using our drive-thru.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe.
You're doing a great job and we're just so grateful. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
See
Keep
you guys.
warm.
Bye.